Numerous electrical connections throughout your car ensure that its vital systems continue to function as intended. Electrical connections are necessary for everything to function, including the sound system and the car battery. It is inevitable that dirt will build up on the surfaces over time, making a strong connection more challenging. Dirt can begin to cake on connectors if they aren't kept clean. The contacts may become more challenging to clean over time. Regular maintenance is therefore more crucial. You will be less likely to have to deal with malfunctions if you keep up with the cleaning. We examine the rationale behind maintaining clean electrical connectors in this video. We also assess the best approaches for cleaning these crucial connections of dirt and corrosion. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. How to clean electrical contacts. Soda and water solution. Battery contacts and terminals are frequently cleaned with baking soda and water. It's very easy to use and very easy to make. Simply dust the posts and connectors with baking soda. Lightly mist the baking soda with water until it begins to fizz. Wash the posts and connectors with a firm brush. Make sure you wear gloves to protect your hands from irritation. Other parts of the car respond really well to the baking soda and water solution. It is useful not only for interior cleaning and freshening but also for removing carbon buildup from different engine parts. Specialty cleaners. The contacts can be kept clear of debris and clean with a variety of specialized cleaners. Selecting a brand that has gained credibility and been shown to be secure is advisable. The WD-40 electrical contact cleaner is a well-liked option. The areas that are frequently exposed to water and debris are cleaned by this substance. If everything else doesn't seem to be working, this is a great option because it can penetrate stubborn corrosion. It also comes with a useful nozzle that makes sure it gets into the hardest to reach places. Products such as these can aid in the restoration of electrical conductivity. It also lessens the possibility of a short circuit. Rubber, plastic, and metal surfaces can always be kept intact because there is nothing left behind after using the quickly evaporating non-conductive formula. Sandpaper. Connector pins can be cleaned of debris and imperfections by rubbing them with a small section of fine sandpaper. More than a 1 by 2 inch piece is not necessary. The same principle is applied by some people when using a pencil eraser. When done properly, this will leave the contact looking shiny and clean. Use a toothbrush or another soft abrasive to gently clean the connector after using the sandpaper. This procedure aids in clearing the sanding residue. To complete the task, you can also use a cleaner, like vinegar or alcohol. Before reassembling the parts, just make sure the connectors are dry. Compressed air. Compressed air may be the most effective solution if the contacts are clogged with loose debris. To remove the dirt, you can use compressed air cans or your home air tank. Using compressed air is beneficial when attempting a few of the alternative techniques. Compressed air can be used to dry the surface before re-establishing the contacts for any steps that call for wetting the area. Rubbing alcohol. To get rid of dirt and debris from the electrical contacts, dab a little alcohol on them. It functions in a manner akin to that of acetone, which can also clear the connectors of impurities. Acetone and alcohol both easily cut through carbon, oil, and residue. Brake cleaner shouldn't be used in the manner that some people do. It can cause damage to electrical connectors and fracture any plastic parts that come into contact with it. Issues caused by dirty electrical contacts. More problems than you might imagine can arise from corroded or dirty electrical contacts. A thorough cleaning would have solved the problem in many cases where inexperienced mechanics replace parts. For instance, corrosion on the battery connectors may be the cause of the car's starting issues rather than a dead battery or a malfunctioning alternator. Prior to replacing any, it would be important to try cleaning the terminals. Important automotive systems may not receive enough electricity due to dirty connections. Every electrical installation has components like switches, fuses, relays, and sensors. The transmission may be disrupted if any part gets contaminated or dirty, which could cause issues that lead you to believe a part is broken. There may occasionally be issues with visibility due to unclean contacts and even the exterior lighting components. Examine the connector for evidence of dirt and debris if the turn signals, brake lights, fog lights, or headlights are behaving strangely. Replacing the bulb or assembly would be more expensive and difficult than simply cleaning the connector. It's a good idea to inspect any defective parts before replacing them. Before purchasing a new one, try cleaning it with the proper solution if you see any dirt or debris. In the best case scenario, the part might end up not needing to be replaced. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.